Uber disrupted taxis and limos. And thanks to Travelocity and Expedia, the local travel agent is just about gone. So what's next? Consider residential real estate. It's top heavy with people. It runs pretty much the same way as it has for decades. It generates $75 billion a year for agents and brokers. Now, let's look at Zillow and Trillia, with 100 million active users every month, but only 6 million actually buying and selling. That's a lot of window shopping. Does it really take millions of people to sell homes? The next big disruption is almost upon us. Your next home purchase and mortgage can be totally done online. It's just a matter of time. Hey, keep your digital know-how going. Find your local radio station that broadcasts my show, along with more DIY how-tos and tips, videos. We have free news alerts delivered from me to your email address daily, along with the Komando community, where you can blog and ask your tech questions on our website. That's komando.com. And thank you so much for watching. Hey, thanks for watching. Now, a few things. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more digital know-how, check out all these other great links.